For today's work, you guys will see the Islam vocab activity. It won't be a draft by tomorrow, it'll be darkened out like this. What you will see is the instructions, and you will also be able to see the assignment in here. So you'll see another instructions sheet right here, and then this video, hopefully, that you're watching. So, what you're going to do is you're going to create on the Islam vocabulary activity, and it's going to be actually blank. Notice that there's nothing written here. What I've also done is I have adjusted on both ends of the axis so you can use more of the page. And what you need to be able to do is create a table. This is something they use to organize information, and many times I create those for you instead of you going out and making your own. So I thought this time, why not add a skill? So all you're going to do for this activity, if you go back, is it says you need to set up a table that's 3 columns and 8 rows, so 3 by 8. And the reason why is because there are 8 words, and you need to be able to create 3 categories in there. That's why there's a column. 1 for the vocabulary word, 1 for the definition, and 1 for the picture. So let's take a look how to do that. So each of you are going to go into Insert, and notice it says Table. And all you need to do is do the math. Go 3 across and 8 down. And it's going to get bigger as you move down, okay? Notice it gets smaller. So don't worry about it going like, oh, well, mine's not showing 8. That's okay. So now here's your table. Now before you start beginning to do the work, I like to go 75% so I can see the page. And what I do is I try to find the little thing right here to make it larger. Now it's up to you if you want to make it larger right away or not for the tables. So you can pull to the sides. You see it's making the right side go longer. You see that? You can pull the bottom one and it only does 1. So that's not what we want. We want all of these sections to be like that. So usually what you end up doing is you pull the corner and it does that. But over here it's not doing that. So what you can do is essentially hit enter on your keyboard, hit it 2-3 times, and it doesn't have to be all the sides have to be equal, okay? So I'm just doing 2-3. See that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, and now I'm going to type in all of those words from Quran to Adhan, okay? So over here, there's going to be Quran, and you're going to write all of them down, the list, just like you see Adhan down here. So this is where all of your vocab words will go. Next, this one's going to be your definition. All you need to do is either look in your textbook or go up into Google and just write Quran definition, and let's see what it tells us. It says, it is the Islamic sacred book, believed to be the word of God. You can use whichever definition you want. I'm going to use Islamic sacred book. So I'm going to come up here and write Islamic sacred, I can't spell sacred, sacred book. There's my definition. And now I need a picture. You all know how to put the picture in there. You could go from here. I'm going to actually go insert image, search the web. I'm just going to write Quran, and there it is. Any picture. I like this one because it shows the beautiful calligraphy. Add it in there, give it a couple of seconds, and you're done. You're going to do that for all 8 of them. I hope this was helpful. And if you do not finish this in class, this becomes homework. I hope this was easy to understand. If you didn't understand the first time, please keep watching it until you do.